how teachers expect you to react when the fire alarm goes off, and how you should actually react. Let's go geometry. Fire alarm goes off. Oh no! I better get this single file away and shut my mouth. Versus Hollywood.